Use a flat car, a concrete cart, etc. to carry materials. Forcibly carrying it may hurt your lower back. Try to reduce the strain on your lower back as much as possible. A stepladder and a portable workbench should be placed on a flat surface and opened until the latches stop. A work platform of a stepladder scaffold should be supported at 3 points. Each span should be 1.8 meters or less, and no more than 2 persons should get on between the fulcrums at the same time. Assembling of a stepladder scaffold is carried out by a person who has completed the special education. Do not rise up and get down with your back to the work platform. Place tools and materials on a scaffold first, and slowly rise up and get down, gripping the handrail bars or steps. Do not perform work when materials and parts have not been organized. When using a portable workbench in a passage, things must be put thoroughly organized so that other workers can use the passage. If you use a trowel or a trowel plate on both hands and go up or down on a stepladder, you may lose balance and fall. When going up and down, do not carry goods and use both hands and feet with 3 points supporting. If you stand on or straddle a top plate of a stepladder, you may lose your balance that causes overturn, falling down. Let's use it correctly. There is a risk that tools may fall when working on scaffolds. Here is a question for you. What measures should be taken to prevent this type of accident? The correct action to take first is to make sure not to place tools or other unnecessary items on the scaffold. Then, attach baseboards and nets to the scaffold. If tools are left on a floor, or you work holding a large object that makes your feet invisible, the possibility of falling over, such as stumbling or stepping off the stairs, becomes higher. Make sure not to leave objects in a walking area, and do not work with your feet invisible.